Cleaned up, clean cut, and clean shaved. I got the cover off the 68. I fired it up and let them horses sing. A little pretty thing, a little tan-leg Georgia dream. But she's rocking them holy jeans. And baby, what you got going on Saturday? You know, word's got it, there's gonna be a party out of town about half a mile. Four-wheel drives and big mud tires, muscadine and wine. Oh baby, you can find me in the back of a jacked up tailgate, sitting around watching all these pretty things. I get down in that Georgia clay and I'll find peace at the bottom of a real tall cold drink. I'm chilling with some Skinner and some old hay. Let's get this thing started, it's my kind of party. Baby, just do your thing, give up your keys. Hell, why drive when you can stay with me? And then after a while we sneak away from the bonfire, walk by the moonlight and down to the riverside. Got you sipping on some moonshine. Well, baby, if you're in the mood and you can settle for one night of rodeo, you could be my tan-leg Juliet, I'll be your redneck Romeo. Oh baby, you can find me in the back of a jacked up tailgate, sitting around watching all these pretty things. I get down in that Georgia clay and I'll find peace at the bottom of a real tall cold drink. I'm chilling with some Skinner and some old hay. Let's get this thing started, it's my kind of party. Up tailgate, sitting around watching all these pretty things. I get down in that Georgia clay and I'll find peace at the bottom of a real tall cold drink. I'm chilling with some Skinner and some old hay. Let's get this thing started, it's my kind of party. Ready for this? Y'all gonna turn it on up. Woolbird. Where's he at? In the green. This way. We went up there now. Oh, he's too freaking high. Oh my God. Get out.
I can shoot it out of the tree for Christ's sake.
Yeah, maybe. You might have to. You're right, you do. You can shoot right over top of us. Don't worry about us. Oh, nice, Ryan. That was good.
There. You son of a bitch. Now I'm going to shoot him out of the fucking tree. Now get out of the way.
Let's get out of the way. Now wait. Where's the bird? I don't want you to shoot him up. Now wait. No. Come here. Go over here. On this side. Back there. Don't hit the press.
Well, I don't want you to shoot the friend. Go ahead. There you go. You shoot the head off.
Oh! Woo! Right. Remember, I'm the guy who shot the head off the white one that time.
Did ya?
Good
Oh,
girl.
okay.
Good girl, buddy.
Good shot.
Good girl. I don't know where it come from, but he just showed up right here on the edge. Come here.
I'll be damned.
Come here.
What
Good
kind of climber
girl.
is a tree? He was pissed. He was